We're here today in a place called Jessup, Maryland, on a double-wide mobile home. Homeowners got some defective skylights, as you can see here. So we're going to be removing all 4 skylights and replacing them with new skylights here, as you can see here. So this is a new skylight would look like, and we're having to do some modifications on this because they don't actually make that kind of a skylight anymore, that particular style. It's got what we call a curb on it, so we're gonna cut the curb off and do some modifications there, and then we'll be able to flash the skylight on and make it watertight and leak free. So yeah, please stay tuned and see how the project comes along there. Okay, this is the after video of the 4 skylights that we were working on earlier this morning, where we had to remove the curb. This is on a mobile home double wide trailer. The homeowner was having some leaks in the skylights, so we replaced them, and they didn't make the existing one that was there, so we had to do a bit of a modification here. So everything's good to go and nicely dried in.